Here I've got HUAWEI Y5 2019, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then go to Start Chat, select whichever contact you have nearby, and then tap on the keyboard icon, which is here, tap on the language icon, and now select all languages. From now on you can select the language that you would like to have, so just come along with all the possibilities and pick the language that you would like to apply. Let me pick, for example, Zulu. Here we've got Zulu, and this is how it will look like. And if you agree to have it, just go up one more time, switch off English, and then once you go to the new chat one more time, you will be able to notice the changed keyboard. And this is it. This is how you can change keyboard language in your device, in your HUAWEI. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.